Often in companies, there are machines and robots without accident-preventing barriers, and the operator can access the operating area even when the machine or robot is running. The risk of accidents is very high, and the operator can be hit by fragments caused by the inadvertent detachment of material or machine tool parts. Whereas in Breton machines, the operating area coincides with the safety area, and they are closed on all four sides by protection barriers at head height. The barriers prevent access to the operator when the machine is running and eliminate any possibility of being hit by fragments. Breton, work with us in complete safety.